I had a small amount of time to work on the Red project today, but a small amount of time was all I needed. I'm very pleased to state that my radiator is installed. It and the condenser now fit like a glove. As you can see, the condenser is no longer sticking up like it was before either. And that radiator, well, that just drops straight in. And even the plastic screen on the side there fits perfectly. And as a reference, here is my reference 124, Red's sister, literally the next number sold in Australia. You can see that that's pretty much exactly the same, although quite dirty. So it was a surprisingly low-tech solution. Once I established that the bar had actually been pushed towards the cabin of the car, all I had to do was push it back towards the front using a block of wood and a bottle jack and a rag to stop scratching things. And tomorrow I can focus on continuing with the installation of my tensioner. I now have everything and there's nothing that's going to hold me back. So this will all be assembled tomorrow, assuming I'm left alone and have time to do it. I do have everything to install. I still have that pipe to clean for the transmission cooler, but I'll get to it as long as I've got time. All in all, very satisfied.